Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a radio button to your Blade templates. So in my previous tutorials I had created categories entity. It has a visible field. If I go into categories table, we have a we have added a visible boolean field to our categories. So let me add that interface in the front end now. So there are two places we'll have to make changes. One is the edit template, edit.blade.php, and one is create.blade.php. Let's start by creating the interface, the radio button interface in create.blade.php. So to do that, we use the form Laravel collective class. So just say form label. We are adding a label. So basically, I'm copying it from here. Label, and this field is visible. So the label is for visible field, and I'm going to just add a visibility label title. Next, I have to create form radio buttons. So to do that, form radio, and the name of the field. Then we have to pass the value of the field. So I'm just passing 1 or zeros in this case. So I'm just saying S to 1. So let's add S, and let's add a break over here, and I'm going to copy this one. Oops. Paste it over here. So visible 0, no. So whenever the visible field is set, we are passing 1, and whenever it is unset, we are passing 0 to it. So once we have done this, we have to grab this input in our category controller. So we have to go to our store method over here, and in my previous video we were just passing 1 over here. So let's say input get visible. So now we are done with this. This will update the visible column for the categories. Let's go and check. So create, we have create category and a visibility field now. So let's say visibility yes, test yes. So create category. We have created a category now. So let me go and check. Test yes. Let's go in the database since we don't have an interface right now. Let me clear this. So select star from categories, order by descending, limit 1. So it's test s, and we have set the visible field to 1. Next, let's see how to change that value to 0 using the edit method over here, edit blade page. So for that we'll have to use the same radio buttons over here. So to do that, I'm going to add the same label. So label, and next I'm going to check if category field, if dollar category visible is equal to 1, then I'm going to check the S radio button and uncheck no radio button. So to do that, let's copy this, since we are using the same thing. So now sorry, I copied the wrong thing. So 0 and 1, and let's set this to true and this to false, and let's do a else over here, and let's do end if, and if it is set to no, then let's change this to false, this to true. And we have to do one more thing. We have to pass checked value. There was some problem with the radio buttons in in Laravel collective package. I couldn't just do it with using true, so I had a workaround for that. So I just said checked equal to checked. So in this way I'm passing this array, and that works. So in the same way I'm passing it over here, and we can pass an empty array over here for false. So let's see while editing if we get the correct data. We're getting S. Now let's update the update function. Let's say this, let's set to this to visible. It's basically the same thing that we are doing, what we had done in the store functionality. So now let's check if this updates the category. Yes, it does. It updates the category, and when we say no, it should update the title as well. There you go. So test no, no, and if you change back to yes, yes, it retains the value. So that's it in this video. If you're finding this videos helpful, then please like or share my videos, or subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.